Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Hello, Paul.
Yes.
Hey, Paul. This is Jerry with RE Association. How you doing today?
Oh, a little tired, but I'm hanging in there.
Okay, great. Well, did you get back to Florida yet? I
Yes,
spoke
I
to you
did.
last week, remember? Okay, so we
Yes.
actually wanted to just check if you guys qualify for this net metering program because they were doing consultations for solar, like for you to see all the information. So may I know, like, if you guys are paying more than $100, how much do you guys pay for electric?
More than $100.
More than $100. Okay, great. And what sort of roof do you have? Is it shingles or do you have tiles?
I have shingles and a flat roof.
And a flat roof. Okay. And how old are they? Like
Last
five,
year.
10 years? Last year. Okay. Then it's in a perfect condition. So do you get enough sunlight, right, on your property? Or do you have any trees or anything that's blocking the sunlight?
I get it. I get plenty of sunlight.
Plenty of sunlight. Okay, perfect. So it looks like you would be a great candidate. And right now we have different programs with different criterias. So we require the homeowners to have a credit score above 650 to know that you're getting all the incentives. Do you fall in that
I'm over
criteria?
700.
Oh, okay, perfect. Then you're all set. I mean, we have experts that are doing the consultations. Would you be available tomorrow? What time usually works for you?
I'm more of a late afternoon guy.
Late afternoon? Okay, so tomorrow, can we put you in for like 5 p.m.? Would that work? Tomorrow's Tuesday.
I haven't checked with my secretary, that being my wife.
hmm
But for right now, that
Yes,
sounds
well,
like that
we
should work.
want you both be on the consultation, because you might have questions about panels and everything, so that, the experts are the best person to tell you all the details and everything. Get what I'm saying?
You're so full of shit. You want us both to be there because we're both got a sign.
No, 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 not. I mean, that is not my point. What I'm saying, sir. Like sometimes you not, the homeowners, like sometimes your wife could, make any decision, and
Yeah,
she
she
needs
will
to
be
know, like,
involved in this
before you actually
decision, but her
do
eyes
something.
will glaze over as soon as you say solar panels. Okay.
well, well, it's a no obligation program, so there is no forcing or anything. I mean, you can see your information and go from there by your own choice. I mean, if you find it
Problem
beneficial,
is,
yeah.
we recently put in a new air conditioner and it's much more efficient.
Mm-hmm.
So the power levels that we're going to use are probably different than what we've
Mm-hmm.
had in the
You
past.
guys do Chico or FPL?
Florida Power.
Okay, Florida Power. Okay, well, I mean, this is just for you to see, like, know all the details about solar. And if you don't find it beneficial, if you don't want to do it right then, it's totally fine. I mean, you could follow up with them or just, go from there. You don't have to make any decision or sign any contract. You get what I'm saying?
Okay, basically, I'm going to need to talk to a field engineer. I'd like to know about all the
Yes.
manufacturing details and the
Yes,
actual.
they're the best person. They're actually, telling you all the details, showing you a digital design of how the panels are going to be. I mean, you could choose from different type of panels and also, see your options like how much kilowatt you're
I
saving and
want to know
everything.
how they're going to be attached, how the attachments are going to be sealed.
Mm-hmm.
Is there going to be
Yes.
any barrier for wind getting
Mm-hmm.
underneath them? Things
Mm-hmm.
along those lines.
Okay, perfect. I'll
Um,
I'll I'll have it noted so the expert, he actually brings in all the information. And one other thing is, you guys, if you're gonna be receiving a lot of incentives if you guys are annually bringing in more than 40K or something for your annual household income. You guys are good with that, right?
grants, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Because, everything is perfect, your credit score and everything, so there's nothing I can see that's going to stop you from getting a lot of incentives. I mean, I think you're going to be receiving the most. So let me put you in